Hi everyone, this is Janis. With the holidays right around the corner, I'm feeling the pressure to be photo ready at all times. I have to admit, I find it hard to make time to get my makeup done when I'm entertaining for the holidays. There's always so much to do with cooking, cleaning, decorating, shopping, and even gift wrapping. I'm always on a time crunch to look my best. That's why today I'll be showing you how this home airbrush solution is an absolute lifesaver if your schedule looks anything like mine this holiday season. This foundation routine does not only give me the confidence I need to pose for selfies with my friends and family, but it can also be done in under 1 minute. For those of you who do have more time to spare, I'll also be showing you how to take this foundation routine to the next level by giving you a step-by-step process to a beautiful contour that every woman can achieve. Contouring may seem complicated, but the contour kit I'll be using makes it very simple. The first step in our process is the Coverage Rollerball. The Coverage Rollerball serum instantly moisturizes tired eyes. I'm going to be applying it very gently underneath my eyes. It feels so cool to the touch. Now I'm going to be gently tapping it in, and this tapping motion is great. It actually reduces the fluid buildup that I have underneath my eyes. The next step is our Coverage Concealer. The Coverage Concealer has a hydrating core of shea butter and hyaluronic acid to conceal any dark circles you may have under your eyes. You can also cover blemishes and any skin discolorations. I'm going to use it under my eyes where I have dark circles. I'm also going to be using it on all of my dark spots, age spots, and sunspots, which I have quite a few, as you can see. I'm also going to be using it on my broken capillaries, which I have all over my nose. Okay, the next step is I'm going to blend it in. You can use whatever you like to blend it in. You can use a sponge, you can use a brush. I like to use my finger. So I'm going to just blend that in nicely, and you're going to see how beautiful and flawless my skin looks. You can always add more product. What I've noticed with this line is you don't need a lot of product. Less is more. The next step in our process is the Magic Minerals AirBrush Liquid Silk Primer. Primer helps to smooth any fine lines, wrinkles, or large pores to create a smooth, even canvas for applying your foundation. Primer helps your makeup go on smooth and last longer. Sometimes women forget this very important step, but it's truly the first step in achieving the flawless skin we all want. To use this product, I'm going to shake it and add 2 quick bursts to my kabuki brush. I'm going to start here. I'm actually going over my lips because the primer is great for a foundation for my lipstick, going over and under my eyes. It feels so cool and so hydrating, which is what every woman wants. For my foundation today, I'll be using Magic Minerals AirBrush Foundation by Jerome Alexander. I've been looking for a line that has a primer and a foundation, and I was so happy to find what I needed in one product line. It is so easy to use, it feels light, it looks flawless, and it only takes about 1 minute to apply. Many women debate whether they should spray directly on the face or on the brush. Jerome recommends spraying your foundation on the kabuki brush to avoid excess waste and control the amount of coverage you apply to your face. I'm going to be spraying 2 quick sprays to my kabuki brush. I'm going to start in the center and work it out. Over my lips, in the corners of my nose, under my eyes. Working it in nicely. It feels so nice to the touch. The next step is the Magic Minerals Powder Foundation. It's the perfect way to set your makeup as it contains color-correcting pigments that help to reduce any redness and discoloration. It can also be worn on its own for a flawless look. I'm just going to swirl my brush and I'm going to apply it to set my makeup. If you do have an oily area in your T-zone, which is right here, which many women have, you can apply some extra powder here. I don't need it there, so I just use it to set my makeup. So if you're in a rush to look your best this holiday season, this is my recommended routine to get you camera ready and picture perfect. Now, if you have more time to spare, I want to talk to you about contouring. Many women are fearful on how to do it, but the Jerome Alexander palette makes it easy. So with the Magic Minerals Contour Kit, it's all about practice and a lot of blending. Apply your contour powder where shadows are naturally found. I'm going to be contouring my hairline to minimize my forehead. As you can see, I have a large forehead, so I use the contour to minimize that. I also like to minimize my nose as I think it's a little wide, so I contour using 2 lines. And I also use it to contour my cheeks. If you're not sure where to do this, you can make a line between your lip and your ear. And in that area, that's where you'll want to apply your contour. You can also suck in your cheeks. And it's all about practicing and blending. Practicing and blending to get the look you want. I'm also going to contour my jawline, give it a nice definition. I'm going to continue with highlighting, and I'm going to highlight the area where I apply blush. That's the top of my cheekbones. So I just pat, pat, pat. A little on my forehead, a little on my chin, and I like to add a little line down my nose because that's where the light hits my face. So a nice straight line right down my nose. A little more blending. There is so many wonderful festivities this holiday season, and now I feel confident and camera ready. The only thing left is to put on my dress and head to the holiday party. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again next year.